If you're over 40, you've probably felt it. Mornings are getting harder. You wake up stiff, tired, maybe even frustrated because your body doesn't bounce back the way it used to. But here's the truth. Your morning habits can either age you faster or rebuild your body from the ground up. Today, I'll show you 5 simple habits that reset hormones, joints, digestion, and energy. And they work even if you're out of shape or busy. Here's the truth. After 40, your metabolism slows, collagen drops, inflammation rises, and hormones shift. These 5 morning habits switch on the systems that naturally weaken with age: mobility, digestion, and energy regulation. Small habits, big results. Habit number 1, the 60-second mobility wake-up. When you wake up, don't grab your phone. Do 60 seconds of joint mobility. Movement like slow neck circles, shoulder rolls, hip circles, and ankle rotations. This lubricates joints, warms connective tissue, and reduces stiffness throughout the day. Habit number 2, warm water and minerals. Before coffee, drink 1 cup warm water with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon. This jumpstarts hydration, supports adrenal function, and helps bowel movement, especially for 40 plus. Habit number 3, sunlight in the first 10 minutes. Step outside or near a window. Sunlight resets circadian rhythm, boosts serotonin, and improves sleep later, which is huge for metabolism and aging. Habit number 4, 5-minute core activation. Not a workout, just activation. Try 10 dead bugs, 20 glute bridges, and 20 bird dogs. This turns on the muscles that weaken after 40 and protects your spine. And finally, habit number 5, protein-first breakfast. Start your day with 20 to 30 grams of protein. These includes eggs, Greek yogurt, tuna, tofu, or a protein shake. This improves blood sugar, keeps you full, and helps maintain muscle, your anti-aging currency. Now that you have the 5 habits with you, these are some common mistakes to avoid every morning. 1. Checking your phone instantly. Spikes stress hormones. 2. Skipping breakfast entirely if you're not doing proper fasting. 3. Eating sugary cereals, bread, or biscuits first. 4. Drinking coffee before hydration. And the 5th mistake is sitting immediately after waking. Okay, enough talk. Tomorrow morning, test this simple routine. 1. 60 seconds mobility. 2. Warm water with a squeezed lemon and a pinch of salt. 3. 5 minutes of sunlight. 4. 5-minute core activation. And 5. Protein-first meal. Do this for 7 days. You'll feel your body changing. If you want more simple, realistic tips for people over 40, hit subscribe and join the community. Your healthiest years can still be ahead.